How to create an email account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily create an email account. So first thing first, just head over to any web browser and simply search it for create a Gmail account. So we can just tap on the first link which appears over here, and you can just either tap on this create an account over here, and as you can see I've already logged in with my Google account. So I'll simply tap on this add another account option after clicking on my profile icon, and simply click on this create account button over here, and I'll simply choose for my personal use. So it's the most easier way to create your Google account actually. So just enter your first name, although your last name is optional, you can just provide it. And from over here, just enter your date of birth with month, day, year being separated out, and just enter your gender and click on next, just like that. So it will provide you a default Gmail address like the suggested one, or you can also create your new Gmail address if you prefer custom one. So let me just go on with that and simply enter your login credentials, that is your password. Just create a strong password, just use different types of alphabetical characters with a capital letter as well, and just click on next. And similarly you should be prompted to enter your phone number, so just based on your country just enter your phone number just like that, and simply click on next. And once you do all of that, you should be successfully signed in or logged into your new email account. So that's it for today guys, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.